Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the image file you want to share and confirming it's accessible. First, upload the file to a hosting service that supports direct image URLs. Make sure privacy is set to public or link accessible. Once uploaded, locate the file entry or page and open its share options. You will often see choices like Share Link, Embed, or Direct URL. Choose the Direct URL or Open Image in New tab to prepare for the next extraction step. Now focus on extracting the actual image link. Open the uploaded image in its own browser tab so only the image page is visible. This reveals the raw file path. Then right-click the image and select Copy Image Address or Copy Image Link. If that option is missing, use the host's Embed/Share menu and copy the direct file URL. Make sure the URL ends with an image extension such as JPG, PNG, or GIF. This confirms you have the direct. Finish by validating and sharing the link. Paste the copied URL into a new browser tab. If the image loads by itself, you have the correct direct link. Once done, prefer HTTPS links to prevent mixed content blocking on many platforms. If the image redirects to a viewer page or shows an error, make sure permissions are public and try copying again. Alternatively, rehost on a service that supplies direct file URLs. A key troubleshooting tip: clear caching and retest after changing permissions to ensure updates took effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.